Intel welcomes you to the mind-blowing world of video game enhancements with our new Action Replay CDX for Dreamcast. Action Replay CDX, which is more technologically advanced than any other game enhancer on the market today, promises to take your gameplay to higher levels. We'll be taking a look at the features of your new Action Replay and how you can use it to get the most out of your games. In this video, you'll discover how the Action Replay CDX will revolutionise your gameplay, arming you with the power to load the most devastating codes available. Action Replay CDX is loaded with the hottest codes for all the latest Dreamcast titles, so you're assured that all of the biggest and best games are included. What's more, the Action Replay CDX has enough space to store thousands more fantastic codes. New codes and games are always coming out, so we offer two different ways to keep you up to date with a fast-paced world of video games and Action Replay. If you have internet access, you should check out CodeJunkies.com as soon as you finish watching this. CodeJunkies.com is the most up-to-date, thorough source for Action Replay codes and a lot more. We offer gaming news, game reviews, video game commentary, contests and the coolest hardcore gamer discussion boards on the web. We always have the latest Action Replay codes for the hottest games, so your new Action Replay will definitely get a workout. If you have a phone, you can dial 0906 851 6355 for the hottest code and game information service anywhere. You'll get the latest Action Replay codes, the latest information on new releases, chart rundowns and competitions galore. Now that you know how to get the latest codes, let's have a look at how to use these codes in your Action Replay CDX. The preloaded codes in your Action Replay CDX are stored on the CD. Any codes you add will be added to the menu list that's stored on the CDX card. For this example, let's say you want to use the codes for Soul Calibur. You start up your Dreamcast with the CDX card in memory card port 2 in your controller and the CDX CD in the Dreamcast drive. From the main menu, choose Select Codes. Scroll down the game menu to Soul Calibur and press the A button. From the list of codes, select the ones you'd like to use by highlighting them and then pressing the A button. Once you've selected the codes, press Start. Choose the option to start game with codes and press A. You'll be prompted to remove the CDX CD and replace it with the game disc. Keeping the Dreamcast power on, eject the CDX CD, replace it with the game disc and shut the lid. Now you're able to play the game with the selected codes running. If you get a new game that's not preloaded into the Action Replay CDX or new codes come out for a game already on the list, you can add the games and codes very easily. To enter a code for a game already in the game list, go to the Select Game menu and select the game you wish to add codes for. Then highlight the new code and press A. This will take you to the new code description field where you'll enter the description of your new code by pressing A. Then using the D-pad, select the letters you require and press A to confirm. In this case, we're going to have infinite health. When you're finished entering the name of the code, press the B button. Now that you have the code description, we need to enter the actual code. After you enter the description, select the code entry box and press the A button. Enter the code and make sure it's correct. An incorrect code can cause you problems. If you make a mistake, the trigger buttons will allow you to backspace and move forward. If your code's a multiple line code, be sure to enter all of the lines and double check that they're correct. To save your newly entered code, select Exit and Save. Now let's say you get a game that doesn't appear in your game list. From the main menu, choose Select Code, then select New Game. Enter the game's name by selecting Edit Name. A letter and number table will appear where you enter the name and press B when you're done. Then select Exit and Save. This will take you back to the Select Codes menu from which you can enter more codes or use your newly entered codes to beat up on your new game. Your last option is to exit and discard, which will take you back to the Select Codes menu and delete the codes you were entering. Another useful feature of your Action Replay CDX is the ability to copy a complete code list from one CDX card to another. This is a wonderful way to exploit your friends who spend time entering a lot of new codes manually. To do this, start up your Dreamcast with your CDX CD and CDX card inserted. Choose Select Codes, then select Load Codes from Player 2 card and follow the on-screen prompts. To utilise the powerful online capabilities of your Action Replay CDX, use your Passport browser to go to www.codejunkies.com, where you'll find the most comprehensive and up-to-date list of downloadable Dreamcast content on the web. All the latest codes can be downloaded directly to your Action Replay CDX card or a standard VMU memory card, and then transfer them to your CDX card. Keep your Action Replay CDX loaded with up-to-the-minute game-enhancing codes by visiting www.codejunkies.com now. If we've moved too fast for you, either start this video over or have a look in your Action Replay manual. Everything we've gone over is in there. The Action Replay CDX is very easy to use, so don't be intimidated. If your Action Replay CDX doesn't seem to be functioning properly, consult your manual to assure that you're doing everything correctly. If the problems persist, come to codejunkies.com and look in the support section for tips, facts and customer support contact information. So until we meet again on the next console, happy gaming!